So today's craft is a coffee filter bunny. So I'm using things that most people already have at home. So you don't have to go out and buy anything extra. So you're going to need a coffee filter, some kind of cardboard tube or just some cardboard, or you could use cardstock if you have that, some markers to color with, some scissors, and some tape. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is flatten out your coffee filter. So just use your hands. So this is going to be the bunny's face. So you're going to take your cardboard. You're going to use a marker or a pencil to draw the shape of an ear, like a bunny's ear. So just your basic bunny ear shape. And I'll hold it up to the camera after I'm done drawing it. Keep it simple. So there it is there. So you want two of them, so draw it twice. And then cut them out. Now you can color in the ears however you like. Use your markers or crayons. I'm going to do it really quickly. I'll just put like another shape inside the ear just to show that it has a little bit of depth to it. Just a little bit of detail, but you can go crazy with your detail if you want. Now I'm going to use the tape to tape my ears onto my coffee filter. I tape the ears on the back of the bunny's face, so I'm going to tape them back here. So now the face. I'm going to use my peach color marker and do bunny's nose. So for the nose, I just do upside down triangle. And color it in. And do purple again for the eyes. Do some whiskers. Do a little mouth. And another cool thing that you can do because you have a coffee filter is to use some watercolor paints. When you use the watercolor paints on the coffee filter, the paints kind of bleed through this particular kind of paper, and it looks really cool. So there is your bunny craft.